I can solve a Rubik's Cube.
5, 2, 1, 3, 4.
I'm sure a lot of people knew this, but I realized yesterday that I have not solved the Rubik's Cube in like a year.
5, 2, 1,
And so, I will solve a Rubik's Cube right now. Live demonstration. Miss Schooled winner. Here we go. And begin. Okay, so first things first, the steps are like this. You have to make the white cross. Well, you can pick a side to make the cross on, but I always make the white cross because it's just how I learned it. So to make the white cross, you already have these ones, okay? But this is, I have to make the cross, I'm not gonna explain too much. Okay, anyways, and I have to finish the cross, so find the middle piece, and the middle piece is, I found it. Okay.
If the gas pedal was like a keyboard.
All right, so we made the cross. Okay, now we have to like make, if you notice all these ones, like all the middle ones, the middle bottom ones are correct. So we need to make these corners correct. So the way you do that is as follows.
I think that's when you want to use sticks though. I think it's a lot easier on sticks.
Oh, I think it's easier.
One day I'm gonna make a Rubik's Cube tutorial. Then you guys can all learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I taught my friend Lily how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and then we would always solve Rubik's Cubes together in high school. It was really fun.
Okay, so
That was
go
like our
here,
bonding
and
thing.
then I go.
And solving Rubik's Cube is super easy. It just takes like a little time, like to sit down and like learn it. But then like people would always be like, "Oh my God, you're so smart! You know how to solve a Rubik's Cube." And I would say like it's one of the more useful like random skills to have, because it's you can trick people to think like you're smart. Because they're like, "How are you solving that?" But really, it like, you know, it's not actually like that hard. You just have to have patience. No one wants to like take the time to actually learn how to solve one. But once you learn it, you never forget. Okay, so we've solved most of it, but now we need to solve these corners. And this is all memorization, just algorithms. It literally is just...
Oh my God, are you okay, April?
I'm fine.
Like, I can't... My fingers just kind of know what to do.
How do I? Oh, finger.
I remember. Uh-oh.
You guys get in there?
Uh-oh. Oh.
Yeah!
Ta-da!
I'm walking with the
Solved!
lip, and I'm not really
One time
sure
I even
why.
solved a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. And I can solve some of it with one hand, but one time I could solve it even not blindfolded fully, but I could solve the last layer blindfolded, or I could close my eyes and solve it. And then yeah, so that was my one flex. So it's because of Edison. No, and I didn't solve it because of Edison, but Edison taught me like to go like the extra mile and learn like really random stuff. There's like super. He was a speed solver or like speed cuber, so he could solve like he solves 3 in the time that I solved 1. We would race, and that was the pace. And then he can solve it blindfolded and left-handed, and all kinds of weird ways. So all of that. Ta-da! So if anyone wants me to make a Rubik's Cube tutorial, well, you know what? I guess I could do it. No one asked for that. What if that was just my next YouTube video? Hi everyone, Leslie here. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
A really random video to put out.
You're blaming me.
I have to solve it again, so I started it.
Yeah, April, if you weren't so busy, you know, recording yourself and vlogging, maybe this wouldn't have happened.
Curtis, take me to.
Uh-oh.
I'll take you, don't worry. Don't worry, April.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
may piss myself.
Ooh, I know what to do here.
What the fuck?
I have to pee.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh my god, luckily I just knew what to do there. Oh no.
All over myself.
I'm forgetting.
Oh!
I don't know what to do.
Ew, it's getting on the seat.
Oh no. Sometimes when I'm solving the cube,
Actually need to pee.
I don't know how to do it anymore. Like I can't, if I think too hard about it, I can't do it because I don't actually know how to do it. It's like all muscle memory. But then if I stop, if I stop, then I like think too hard and have to like mental reset. Ooh, see, somehow we solved it. Somehow we got here. That's kind of cool. Okay. Get the corners. Okay. Okay, now it's just these ones. Actually, I think I could do the rest of this without looking. So, okay, ready? Okay. Okay, here we go. I can't do it. Wait,
Alright, you guys have a good day.
I can't do it. Well, okay, I can try it. Okay, let me try it. So, no, I can't do it. But I could practice and then I could do it. Well, I could try. Okay. No, I can't do it. Maybe. No, I can't. But I'll practice. And then you guys would be impressed. Oh. Oh no.
Yeah, what?
I messed up the whole thing. Well, just unless no, see, this was supposed to be solved, but I messed up the whole thing. I messed up a turn, and here we are. But I can fix it. Hold on.
You dumbass.
That was a crazy tornado. Let me tell you, a crazy one.
Crazy. The second me and Curtis go pee.
Like,
We don't see anything. All of a sudden there's
Yeah.
a tornado.
weather. Am I right?
Right.
It's doomed.
Somehow I don't believe that there was
Unless-
a tornado, Taco.
The bipolar
No, it's doomed.
weather. We're having out here today.
Unless.
One day
Oh,
it's
oh,
raining,
it's
one
not
day it's
doomed.
So it
snowing,
wasn't
one day
you.
It's not doomed. I'm just solving. Oh, it's doomed.
You promise.
Oh, it's so doomed.
You swear
I-
on this
it's
car.
doomed.
Look at this car to be in your line.
It's doomed. Oh no.
Bro, what the hell happened?
I can't hear the fumes.
Taco
All I
happened.
hear are the fumes in my ear.
But I can fix it.
Taco, you can hear me.
Do fumes even make noises?
Fumes are fucking up my ears, clogging up my ears. The fumes are clogging my ears.
Hold on.
Oh.
Curtis has got a point.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's
The
not.
fumes are clogging my ears. Water.
With water.
You know what I'm saying? It's like water.
No.
Wow.
What the? This piece is wrong. Oh, but this piece is the right one. So I just need to put those together. Like this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
I said water.
No, that's wrong. No. Wait, I found it. No, that's not the right one.
Water.
Well, now hold on.
Water.
This piece. Oh, oh, oh. One sec, one sec. I got it. I got it. It's because I'm solving using the wrong, wrong colors I'm used to. So it's disorienting my brain. Done. Well, these two. So now we got to keep going.
I think he's tweeting publicly.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Down bad?
Okay. We're getting there.
I don't know. That's
Okay.
they know.
Wait. What?
Okay, what should I get for food?
This is hurting my brain because usually this is yellow, but this is so. If it's these two are solved.
Alright, I know. Okay, well, what were you gonna suggest? What were you gonna suggest?
Okay, we're getting somewhere.
No.
We're getting somewhere.
No, because you know how you feel when you eat.
Okay. I got chills.
And greasy.
So now we have all of this, but only these two are wrong orientation, but correct placement. So we need to fix the way those are, and we have a simple algorithm for that.
And then your tummy hurts and you have a tummy ache.
Ta-da!
Yes, do you?
Solved. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Avocados, Curtis.
Up, down, left, right, up, down. You know how it is. Ta-da! See, now you guys think I'm smart, but it's actually really easy. So. And there's all these cool algorithms you can learn to make cool different patterns. So, I just wanted to say I can memorize things pretty well.